Graphing a linear inequality on a number line. This is really easy, and this should take you no time at all to complete this topic. One of the things that you need to know is we've got some inequality signs. See, we've got b is less than 2. And so that inequality sign is very important for us to note. So I have put some notes over here for us. If you have regular inequality signs, okay, sometimes they were referred to as Pac-Man, some schools it was alligator or crocodile, depending on the region you're from. And so they typically eat the bigger number, just so you can refresh your memory. If they are just greater than or less than, you are going to use an open circle because it's not going to absolutely include the number that is listed in your problem. Okay? If you have an inequality sign that has an equal sign attached to it, so this is greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, you're going to use a closed circle. And so I have pulled up Alex here so that way we can see what I'm talking about. And as you can see, you've got an open circle, you've got a closed circle. And here we've got b is less than 2, so we're going to use an open circle because it's just a regular inequality sign. We're going to go to positive 2 and we're going to click on it. And as you can see, it put a very faint circle there. Okay, the next thing we need to do is we need to figure out where to shade. As long as your letter is on the left side, then you're going to use this kind of as an arrow. And so notice that it's kind of pointing towards the B. That means we're going to shade on this side of the 2. So once you have shaded it, see how it's nice and shaded, and then you'll click check. And it says, congratulations, you're correct. And just so we can see another example, this is y is greater than negative 5. It's an open circle, so we're going to put it at negative 5. Our inequality is kind of pointing towards that negative 5, which means we're going to shade on this side, the right side of negative 5. Ta-da! I wanted to keep giving you an example till we got to this one. Now this one's got the less than or equal to, so we're going to use that closed circle for this one. And we're going to go to negative 10. We're still using that as an arrow, so it's pointing towards the y, which means we're going to shade on this side. And check.